Think the era of traditional video editing gigs is over? Is it impossible to land work quickly? You've been trying all week long, all month long, it ain't connected. You're thinking no one can land work quickly. I'm about to drop a controversial bombshell. It's actually the trick to landing work quick, usually over the internet, but it's not limited to. Without further ado, let's jump into how to land video editing clients fast. A fact real quick, as of 2022, just last year, maybe you're watching this in a few months, 2024, a couple years ago, 82% of consumer internet traffic was completely predominantly based around video. That means they're consuming video content at an all-time high. That means that although you might be struggling to land video editing clients, if 82% of consumer traffic on the internet is based around videos, someone's producing those videos, right? Maybe it's me, maybe it's you. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can capture some of that client share in the undeniably large market. There's one misconception that happens when a freelancer, maybe you, for example, usually towards the earlier start of their career, wants to generate work quickly. The misconception is they think that to get a lot of work, you need to hit up a lot of clients. That's more of a spray and pray Hail Mary approach. I call that a volume approach. You're gonna craft a basic offer, you're gonna spam it off to 1,000 people, hopefully 2% convert, maybe you've got a couple leads, maybe get on the call, maybe you could squeeze a bit of cash out of them, but it's anything less than optimized. In my experience, you usually get pretty bored quickly of doing that, and you can kind of burn out very quickly. So what's a different option if a volume approach isn't something that I'd personally suggest? Well, instead of taking an anxious approach by sending off thousands of messages, hopefully I can get someone, I actually usually favor a highly personalized approach to a smaller sample of people. What that looks like is picking 10 creators who you've decided you can actually provide intense value to, and genuinely going the extra mile to provide value to those 10 people in the form of a value first. I'm going to give you a couple different ways you can go about this and a couple ways you can reduce the time spent on it, because of course it sucks to do something for someone for free and then get no reciprocation, even just a thank you, right? So a core principle that will at least warm up the client when you approach them with some value first is at least a branding principle. You should be aware of basic branding. If you've got a nice shiny landing page, you've got a nice social media. For me, I've got some numbers that are attractive to get them warmed up. They can see, okay, Jack's not just a theorist, he's also a practitioner. There's a principle that I like to use when you're hitting up clients. You have to understand that when you're in their mindset and they receive a cold message, they are employing something, it's a very technical term, right? You might have heard about it at film school. It's called KFFCF. They don't give a Kentucky fried chicken fuck about you when you pop up in their inbox, because most people are trying to take from them. The principles of high personalization revolve around flipping that, right? Instead of hitting thousands of people with a take, hey, give me some work, you're gonna pick 10 people and you're gonna provide intense value to those individuals. So if we know that most people we're gonna be hitting up don't give a Kentucky fried chicken fuck about our offer, we need to bypass that and basically warm them up. You wanna take your cold email, your cold outreach, your cold approach, and make it as warm as possible. There's a fundamental law of human interaction called the rule of reciprocation. That means that if you do something for me, I now feel obligated to return the favor. So you can leverage this to your advantage, the rule of reciprocation, by doing something up front to the 10 people who you've identified you could already provide value to, but not coming with an ask, hey, can you hire me? I need work. No, let's find out about what we can provide to them. Here's a fantastic format that usually works. You find a YouTuber or content creator whose content you can actually provide value to, aka you can make it better with your skills. You take that, download it, and on your own, edit it up, make it better, send it back to the person and say something like this. Hey Jack, how are you? Been getting so much value from your content. I wanted to just find a way to repay the favor. Had some time this afternoon, took your content, made it better. Here it is. You're welcome to use this wherever you want for free. Also, if you do want more of this, I'm actually free. I can take on work at the moment. I've got availability. Hit me up and we can maybe work out a deal. What's up, people? Jack Hall, VP Plus. Real quick check-in. There are two major events that are happening in VP Plus that I want you to be aware of. We're about to hit 500 members. Agency owners, content creators, video editors, freelancers. It doesn't matter who you are. There's a space for you in VP Plus. There's mega value for you in VP Plus. I truly stand by that 100%. At 500 members, we're putting the price up from $24.99 to $34.99. The next 33 people to join will lock in their current price for life. I've also been doing free one-on-one calls inside VP Plus for no additional charge. Unfortunately, 500 people having access to my schedule is beginning to become a bit ridiculous. So unfortunately, at 500 members, I'm also gonna have to start charging for one-on-one calls. The success stories that have come off the back of these one-on-one calls speak for themselves. The next 33 people that join VP Plus will not only lock in their current price for life, you will also get a free one-on-one call with me. I will honor a free call with the next 33 people to join that take us to 500 members. If you're a video creator on the come up, there is no better community to be in than VP Plus. See you inside, lock in your price, and I'll see you on the one-on-one. I, Jack Cole, who has a bunch of people in his DM who are essentially trying to take from me, who again, I'm employing the highly technical principle of KFFCF, Kentucky Fried Chicken, fuck. However, a value first warms them up a little bit. Oh my goodness, we're now leveraging the rule of reciprocation. You've done something for me. I now feel obligated to at least give you a response. Maybe I say, hey, listen, fantastic, get it. I already have a 10 out of 10 team taking care of my creative. I'm not gonna hire you, but keep up the approach. This was really cool. You will see stuff like that. You will never, ever in a million years have someone compliment your shitty take cold email. They will compliment your value first approach. So if we are to kind of round this up and come back to the original point, how to find video editing clients fast, I would encourage you guys to employ a value first, highly personalized approach rather than a spray and pray, anxious volume approach. I'm going to send 1,000 emails today. Maybe I convert 1%. I got 10 people who are going to hit me back. It's a real mission to send 1,000 emails. I've done it, not in a single day, obviously. I've sat there, I've sent 1,000 emails over the course of a couple months, and it's not a sexy process. It's not a fun process. Overall, if you are looking to land clients fast, I would suggest you guys use a personalized approach. We see it in VP Plus all day long, my private members community. The people that go the extra mile, put the work in, actually show value up front, there is no competition. They're taking the work off the others who, again, have the take mentality. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Going forward, every single YouTube video, I'm going to give 2 discount codes to VP Plus away at the end of the video. You'll only get it if you watch the whole video. If you have watched this video, check out VP Plus, my private members community. Almost 500 members inside the community. Really crazy results. We're getting 17-year-olds joining us, landing some of the biggest clients in the entire world. Big streamers like Clicks, Jinxie, changing their life overnight. Really amazing stories coming out. You really can piece together a career off the back of my YouTube channel, but if you want to actually have firsthand help with the implementation of these strategies, you should join VP Plus. It's absolutely a bargain if I do say so myself. If you do want a discount, 2 20% discount codes. If you use the word FAST on VP Plus, you'll get 20% off your first month. Act now. Jack Cole, VP Plus. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed, I'm going to direct you to this video right here. It's a banger. Between you and me, I actually don't even know which video I'm going to put here for the end slide, but I'm going to make sure that it is a banger. So click it and I'll see you there. 3, 2, whoa, that's 1. 3, 2, 1. My hands are playing weird today. Click it, baby. See you there.